All right, welcome back to Nismology Garage, and today we will, for the first time ever in this garage, I'm gonna attempt to change my motorcycle tires. So, with that being said, those are the. I literally put these tires on. I want to say maybe 3 or 4 months ago, maybe 3 or 4 months ago. But if you remember, I went to Zena drag race, and a little bit before that, I was still trying to learn how to do burnouts. And I kind of did a few burnouts, and burnouts do burnout stuff, and then you burn out, and then yeah, this is what happens to the center of your tire. It's supposed to be some tread there. It's supposed to be. But that's what I got. So with that being said, I'm gonna take the tire off, and I got the same. I mean, it's the same tire, the Road 5 Michelin's Road 5s, and we're gonna get ready to put these on this bike. I might get away today with just doing the rear tire and attempt to do the front tire another day. I guess it depends on how I feel after this rear one. If not, I'm gonna take that front one off, take it to a tire shop, and let the tire shop do this. But I already got the stuff. Actually, to Astro Tools, and also these are the seats for the Sunny. So I got a tool, bead breaker, bam. It was actually on sale. Hopefully it works. I guess we're gonna find out. And I got some more odds and ends to help with the process. Just here. This, or you can use Windows. jack stands. Now what you've done, you've got your tire on there. You want to balance your tire. I got a tire balancer. Got this off Amazon. Tire balancer for Amazon. Here go your rollers that you're gonna sit on. You can sit them on here or whatever. I think it's fair to say if we sit it on something like 2 bricks or something that's more level than these jack stands. Before you do this, before you put it all on, put your sprocket and your bushings here back inside the wheel, like so. Get your spacer, and then you have this part of the rod or whatever. Put it inside the spacer. Put your spacer in this side. All right, roll back. Rolling back. What you want to do is mark that with a piece of tape. I got weights here already. They're in increments of, I got 10s and 5s. So I'm going to start with a small one, a 5, and then we'll go from there. Get it balanced to where it want to go to the right point. So what you want to do is once the tire stops, that's the heaviest point. You want to put it on the opposite end of that. So my heaviest point before was up there. I already knew where it was. And what I had to do was I got a 5. Start with the smallest one first. And I'm gonna put it in. All right, so with it marked and I got the wheel with the heaviest side, what you want to do is put it balanced, like put it like halfway, and then see if the wheel goes back the other way. So let's try that. All right, everything is on, everything is torqued to manufacturer specifications on the Honda CBR 1000 RR, which is 112 Newton meters, foot-pounds. I don't know what it is, but that's what I've used, Newton meters. So everything is torqued. I'm probably gonna go take it for a ride and scuff the tire in just a little bit so I can get this glaze off of it. So thank you for watching Nismology. Come back again, like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace.